So this is our RexPro Engineered Steel Chain, first released 2 years ago. This chain allows us to assemble the chain in a third of the time of a standard chain. So instead of using a pin pusher or a master link, a Rexnord product, you can assemble the chain with just an impact driver. So in bucket elevators, the chain wears, and as it wears, it elongates. And when it elongates, the standard in industry is to enter the equipment and remove several links of chain and reconnecting it. So imagine doing that with an 80-pound tool that you have to hold out in front of you, balanced on a pin, with a second operator monitoring or using a jack to press that apart. It takes longer, it involves more people, and it just puts people in harm's way for a greater period of time. So the RexPro, it's 2 nuts, pulling a pin through the interference fit with a tool that operators recognize and understand how to use. So this chain reduces personnel's exposure to hazardous environments inside of the equipment. There's no way around assembling this chain. Some of the connections have to happen inside of the equipment, and this reduces the time that it takes for them to do that.